Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to tell you about the world's first chatgpt powered smart store. This product name is AI Genie. It lets you create and sell articles, blog posts, ebooks, social media posts, stunning graphics and much more with a single keyword in one click. This has never done before, and by the way, no one might have told you about the power of chatgpt. Chatgpt creates tons of content, but it is of no use if it is not being monetized. AI Genie, the world's first powered chatgpt AI smart store, works here to do this job. Step 1. Enter any keyword and the chatgpt powered app creates unique and high quality articles, emails, blog posts, ebooks, social media posts, stunning graphics, and much more. Step 2. Activate. Use this content to your own online business and sell it to others through the built-in AI-powered smart store. Step 3. Enjoy and experience the legally exploit content and monetize this explosive new opportunity. No technical experience is required. This is literally the easiest way to earn money in no time. So guys, in order to access to the sales page of this product, that is AI Genie, click the link that is down in the description box and you will reach to the sales page of AI Genie product that looks like this. So guys, now we are on the sales page of this product, that is AI Genie. As I told you that there's a link down in the description box, you have to click on it, then you will reach to this page. And you can purchase and access to the product as well. And from which button and from which option, I will tell you further. So there are some details about this product that is like the only all-in-one app that lets you monetize ChatGPT. And it's world's first ChatGPT smart store that creates sellable articles, blog posts, ebooks, email aids, graphics, and more in 2 minutes flat. And how this all happened, I will show you further in the members area of this product. So there are more details. Okay, and this is the button. Click here to get started now. If you are curious about the cost of this product, then it is like peanuts, I must say. If you buy it now during the launch period, that is going to end soon, maybe tomorrow, then you will have to do a tiny one-time investment of $17 only. And also you will be offered brand new free bonuses that will be included in members area. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else to buy or have for free. Only you will be honored to get these bonuses for free. So if you can see, there is another further discount on $17 the vendor is providing you if you act now, and that is a $4 discount. It's simply amazing. If I click on it, then I will reach to the next page, the purchase page. So it is a tiny one-time payment of $13 only now. This offer is for a very small time period until the launch period has come to an end soon. So as you can see, there are so many benefits if you can act now, fast, during the launch period. Now let us get into the members area of this product and see how does all the steps work out. So guys, now we are in the members area of this product, AI Genie. The first dashboard looks like this, where there is some tutorials have been shown through a video. Okay, on the right hand side there is an option by saying open AI key. This is basically a unique key, that can be entitled to everyone, individually. I would recommend to create another one, a unique one that could be different from others. It would not be used by others as well. This auto-generated key might be used by so many people and it's not unique. Now let us get into further options that are inside this this softwares, you will be amazed to see that in every step you will see support and how to do and tutorial videos that are embedded in this softwares. I mean, you will not find any difficulty while configuring or while customizing the options for your own requirements. So second option, if you click training, then you will see detailed support tutorials, and with the help of videos they are telling you about how to do ChatGPT AI artificial intelligence settings, and further how to set up how to create images, okay, and how to because as I told you earlier that this is basically AI powered ChatGPT smart store. First, it helps you generate content, articles, blogs, social media posts, and graphic images, stunning graphic images. So here are the tutorials. Here are the videos where they are telling you how to generate these graphic images. This video is telling you about that, and this video is telling you about how the content has been created and how you can easily customize it. Because if you directly go to ChatGPT, ChatGPT just simply creates the articles and that's it. You do not have any option to edit it or to put your website or any link if you want. But the beauty of this software is it helps you do all these customizations. So this all how to do tutorials have been told you in these videos. Even you can create your own websites, okay. They could be more like similar to Fiverr, other stores, and then you can you can do a nice SEO of your websites, and then you can drive the traffic on it. All the settings are being shown to you here step by step. Now let us see the options in real, in practical. Okay, ChatGPT powered. If we click on it, then here you can see the options like how can we create articles, blog posts, ebooks, email swipes, advertisements, this. Okay, these all are the services which this software is basically providing us. If we click on the articles, then this interface comes here. Let's say your business is all about let's say dog training. Okay, if so my keyword would be dog training. Very simple and easy. Okay, if you want to elaborate more, if you want to tell the search engine more about your niche, then tell him about where exactly you want to get the data. I mean, where exactly you want to train your dog. Maybe at home, maybe outside somewhere, okay, or maybe somewhere else. Let's say home. Let's say dog training at home. Okay, now if you click on the get results, so here is the result you will find in front of you. This content is basically, I must say, legally exploit content, and no one is going to give you copyright issue or something like that. Okay, and now you can easily customize this data as well. You can edit, you can add your own words in it. Okay, and then you can bold any of the words in it. You can do italic, you can give underline, and so on and so forth. Now if let's say you want to insert any link, let's say I want to insert any link here in this dog training, then I'll highlight it, and then I can just insert the link whichever I want to. After doing it, I will submit, then this dog training will be converted into a link, my link. There are variety of options to customize your content. And similarly, there are further options. You could create blog posts, ebooks, email swipes, so on and so forth. Okay, and the last one, AI images. This software helps you create high quality graphical images. Once I click on it, then I will reach to the interface where I could get the images whatever I want. And further, if you could see, there are the options for different users, and the options, I mean, which you could help to create the SMSs, and you can ban users, and many much more options are there. And the beautiful part of this software is, in every step you will get the support. I mean, you do not have to worry about how you should do this or that like this. So everything is very super easy. It's like plug and play. You do not need to worry about. And even the search engines, see, if you could click SEO, you could see the SEO manager as well. You can upload the image here that you had considered in your website as logo, and then you can option some keywords here, and after update you will be able to do your SEO manager will work here. And yeah, one more important option is show website. You can also make your own website like Fiverr, as I told you. So once you click on it, then you will see this could be one of your website. This is just for a demo. Okay, and people start doing bids like this, that I will write bulk article, because what happens in Fiverr, mostly people, they keep on making gigs, creating gigs, and then they get the projects, and then they complete their projects, and then they get the payments. Okay, you will be able to create such kind of service providing websites over here, and all the options are there. Okay, and again, the support system is here, demo is there, and I mean, it's super simple. It's nothing to be worried about. If you need any information about it, you will be given the contact details, email addresses of the owner of this product, and you do not need to worry about any settings. And the good thing is it's very secure. It has a very secure system that if, let's say, you are not satisfied with it, then there is a 365 money back guarantee with additional amount you are being paid. So without any further delay, act fast until the launch period has come to an end. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. I will keep on bringing such kind of amazing review videos regarding the digital products, and I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.